In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add hashtags on Instagram, and this is actually very easy. So the first step is to click on the bottom right of our profile so that we see our account right here. And now we click on this plus icon on the top left. And now we have many options. For example, we could create a reel, a post, or a story. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose post right here. I'm selecting my post here, click on next. And now we have two options to add hashtags. The first option is to add the hashtags directly into our post. We can do this if we click on text, then simply type in a hashtag and some keyword, and then we can put it wherever we want on the post. But what we also can do, what many people or most people do, is if we click on next, we click on add a caption and put the hashtag here. And now we can actually, put in real hashtags that many people use. And for example, I choose happy right here, click on OK. And now we can share it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.